Welcome everybody to the ARMR Report bonus coverage today. This is bonus coverage for the ARMR Report. Thanks for being here. I'm your host, Brett Rosenthal. This is a show about stock market investing. Now, as you all know, the information I share with you is information I use in my own portfolio and for clients I invest with through Interactive Brokers. So the bonus coverage today is a discussion about CannTrust. CTST is the symbol. Now, mind you, before I jump into it, it's a live trading desk, screens all around me, the phones might ring. Bear with me if I have to take a step back. It's approaching 3 o'clock, and that's when things usually start to fly a bit in this office. In fact, everybody welcome Joe, part of the trading desk here. Nice to have him. Nice to have him. All right, listen, guys. CannTrust is imploding. Oh, one more thing before I go into this process. Let's just talk about this again so you understand. I'm sharing information that I use myself. I'm not telling you guys what to do when it comes to buying or selling a particular stock, right? If you want to get that advice, you have to call me up. I'll be more than happy to chat with you. But this is a big picture view, and I'm going to share with you some thoughts that I think are very important to the cannabis investing super cycle that we talk so much about on this channel. So these stocks are imploding right now. I'm looking at what? Canopy down 7%, Aurora down almost 5%, Kronos down 6%. You know, the list goes on. Or Granddad down 7%. And of course, today we have CTST down another 15%. I think it's very possible this company is going bankrupt. You heard it here first. I just said it. I don't know anything, guys. I don't have inside information. I'm just telling you, 30 years of doing this and reading the stories that are coming out on the company, it's very possible that this company may not be a going concern when this is all done and completed. Now, let's say I'm wrong about that. Hopefully I am. But I guarantee that what's happening today in the market is a lot of investors are thinking the way I just expressed myself. Now, the deep dive, shout out to the deep dive, great website. I think you guys should all take a peek at it. They did a great piece about what's happening at CannTrust. I'm going to boil it down for you. You can go get this. I just tweeted this. I retweeted the deep dives piece. You guys should go read it. CannTrust violated the Canada Health rules and sold product out of a grow that was not approved. It's illegal product. Okay, now if it just stopped there, that would be one thing. And I think if you read the story, 5,200 kilograms were placed on hold by Health Canada, saying you cannot sell it, 5,200 kilograms. Then the company came out today and said that they're placing a further 7,500 kilograms on hold. Now, what's the financial impact of that? If you look at their average selling price of $5.47 per gram, you're looking at roughly $69 million worth of inventory. That's a lot of inventory, guys. That's a major problem. You can get this story right here off of the website Deep Dive. The way Wall Street works is they take a story like that. And they say, first of all, we don't know what's going on at CannTrust, right? I mean, a whole bunch of inventory has been put on hold. Health Canada might tell them you have to destroy it all. There's something like 70,000+ patients now that cannot get supply from CannTrust. 70,000+ patients, no supply. It's a major debacle. Health Canada may come out and say, you can now sell it, because maybe they end up approving it. So a month or two from now, that might happen. Who knows? Or they might say, sorry, this is illegal. We're going to impound it and destroy it. And here's where it gets even stickier. We don't know where this is going to end. Because apparently some of this illegal product was used for extraction purposes and put in other products. And there's no way to know what those products are. So what happens to all that inventory? Is it just $70 million worth of inventory, or is it more? Now, CannTrust did a large secondary earlier this year, sucked in a lot of investors, institutional investors in Canada. And I guarantee you right now, they're selling across the board saying, how deep does this go? Are other companies doing this? Is Health Canada all of a sudden going to start doing audits? That's the panic that's going on now. Now, if you watched my previous show earlier today, you know that this is a blessing for us on our trading desk, because we have either zero or very small amounts of cannabis investments in our portfolio right now. And you could track that on our website, rosenthalcapital.com. Shows you right there what we're doing. I'm trying to provide for you information to help you manage your risk, so that when things like this happen, you could take advantage of it instead of being smacked by it. You buy weakness, you sell into strength, you use stop losses. And the story that's going on right now with CannTrust is a short-term problem. This is going to be ideal later this year. I don't know when these stocks will bottom. I don't know when. Stay tuned. I'll tell you when we start putting capital back to work using our algorithms. When the risk versus reward is rebalanced correctly, where our algorithms will let us put money to work, where the probability of success is high enough for us to put capital to work. I'll let you know. But these type of events that are happening are short-term in nature and reset the apple and give investors who protect their capital an opportunity to put money to work at significantly depressed prices. And that's how you build wealth over time. So I just wanted to share that with you, a little bonus coverage there. The CannTrust debacle is getting worse and everyone's running for the exits. But obviously, not all these companies are terrible. They're not all doing things illegal, blah, blah, blah. And over the next couple of weeks, the whole thing will settle out and the cream, as usual, will rise to the top. And if you stay tuned, I'll help you figure out what the cream is and how to get a hold of it. You guys have a great weekend. Talk to you later.